So this is the Orangutan, $37. I'll show you what the back looks like. And the front. Problem. Hey. Problem. They're not the same color. It's not the same color in the front and the back. Some people thought that I should leave these orange snowflakes on here. It's like a layer of snow messing up the details in the coin. Just putting paint on a coin makes it all fuzzy. So I take it off, and to me, I'm not trying to hide those scratches in the cheek, because I find scratches in the cheek to be unattractive. So probably take those out. There's a lot of paint here. So let me get to work on that right now. Okay, so I cleaned it off, and it's one of these 4 coins. It's one of these 4. Coins. Which one is it? You chose that one. No. Did you choose this one? No. Is it this one? Or is it this one? Got scratches on the cheek. Got no scratches on the cheek. Scratches on the cheek. Yep, there they are. But I think I did a pretty good job of hiding them. Can you see any orange paint? Orange paint. I'm pretty sure it's this one. I don't know. Look at the detail on that hair. Or is it this one? Now wait a minute. Not as much detail. Oh, look. Color. Color. Aha. Orange paint. Orange paint. It's that one. It's gotta be that one. It's this one. Yeah. There it is, see? Down in there? See that orange paint? See, like right in front of the neck there. And under the chin, around the mouth, orange paint. Now some people wanted me to, oh, there's a lot up there in the wheat. And the R, there's some orange paint. Oh, how about the M? Orange paint. What'd the back turn out like? I had to soak this in acetate fingernail polish remover. I had to soak it in fingernail polish remover, and that took all of the toning off the back of it. So just gonna have to live with that. I had to soak it because it was so orange. Now it's just a little orange. Maybe I'll soak it some more. But the details are like way better. And how'd I do on the cheek? On hiding that scratch on the cheek. You see it? The cheek looks better to me. I don't know how much of the more orange I will get out of it, but what do you think? Do you think the cheek looks better?